The Spacewaterbears are probably one of the hottest NFTs that are about to launch. You heard that correct. Welcome back, crypto farm community. We're going to be diving down into these critters. We're going to be talking about their community and their backstory. I'll tell you guys right now that this project is growing. I have been keeping an eye on it. So let's go ahead and dive down into this. So it states right here that there are 5,600 NFT water bears that are trapped in space. The members for this project are going to have the opportunity to earn algae and to open mystery boxes. Okay, this was done by veterans and it is for veterans. I would highly recommend that you guys follow them on Twitter. Not only that, but join the Discord. Okay, we'll talk more about that towards the end of the video. Like I stated, that this community is growing massively. You guys can see that they do have about 6,000 followers. Okay, they got about 6,000 followers. Okay, these people are all going to be getting in on the minting date. The minting date is coming up soon. It's going to be on March the 30th, which is right around the corner. If we go ahead and take a look, you guys can see the banner. Just get a look at these different creatures, you guys. I absolutely do love this one. I love the art. I love all the designs. I love the facial expressions. I mean, these are called Spacewaterbears. I mean, just get a look at them. If we go ahead and take a look at the first tweet here, just really quick, and we'll dive down into the website. But you guys can see that they are currently doing a giveaway, okay, for a whitelist spot. All you have to do is follow. All right, that's it. Like plus retweet and tag 3 friends. So be sure that you guys jump in on this. All right, if we go ahead and dive down into their website, it states right here, Lord Tardigrade, this is base. Come in over. Remember that they are trapped. All right, ladies and gentlemen, they are trapped out in space. So that means that they need a rescue mission. And a rescue mission will launch in 15 days. 20 hours and 6 minutes. You better be there and you better be ready. You guys can actually see the little Doge over here, the little Doge coin. Anyways, taking a look here, you guys can see that the whitelist minting is going to be starting at 0.05 Ethereum, you guys. 0.05. I definitely think this is worth it. If we take a look here, it states that a face only a tardigrade mother could love. So get a look at these. Get a look at these Spacewaterbears, you guys. I definitely love these designs. Look at the facial expressions. Look at the hair. Look at the different traits. Look at the different shirts. Look at all the different colors. I mean, this is sick. Let's go and scroll down a little bit further. So it states right here that a galactic disaster, a microscopic proportion. What happened here? Why do the Spacewaterbears look like they do? Why? Well, it states right here that in 2025, Elon Musk sent the Doge 25 rocket to Mars to begin terraforming the red planet for future crewed missions. Okay, for future crewed missions. Apparently, it looks like that the rocket got knocked off of its path. That's what happened. Okay, the rocket payload included a total of 5,600 water bears, also known as tardigrades, chosen for their ability to survive in space and achieve what is known as temporary quantum entanglement, and their ability to acquire 1/6 of their genes from unrelated species. This is making them the perfect invertebrates for terraforming a planet. So now that they are trapped, okay, now that they are trapped on Phobos, these water bears have evolved into unrecognizable creatures with unique personalities and traits, searching daily for the last bit of scattered Dogecoin to buy their way back home. If you guys will, please write to Elon and demand that he bring them home. So this is why they look like they do. They don't look like ordinary bears. So this is exactly what happens. Okay, they're trapped out in space, you guys. Okay, so members only. Mystery algae box. Algae equals mystery box. Okay, plain and simple. Water bears love their algae. So members can earn algae in Discord to buy algae boxes by playing games, participation contests, moderated rewards, and holding a space water bear NFT. The boxes contain some or all of the following. They either got NFTs, they got Ethereum, or they have Doge. They have alpha whitelist spots, and then they got club merch, they got more algae, and then they got event tickets. So definitely love to hear that. Lord Tardigrade speaks that our goal with Spacewaterbears is to create a brand that represents what the real NFT community is all about. So we're talking about community, we're talking about knowledge, we're talking about technology, we're talking about art, and we're talking about support. I want this space to help guide where this project goes, not just me. I need your support and guidance along with this exciting journey. Together, we can create something special. So definitely seems like they have an awesome mission. Whenever it comes to the roadmap, we got number one, we got phase number one, the launch. It states at the Twitter launch, whitelist contests, develop collaborations, artwork introduced, build project awareness, list on nftcalendar.io. We got NFT community votes on cost of minting, open Discord, and website launch. Obviously, we have all of that taken care of. We got phase number two. Look at this water bear right behind this alien. I love this picture, but it states right here for phase number two, whitelist presale minting at 0.05. So we just talked about that, okay? And then at 0.07, sold out minting complete with reveal. We got algae box launch. We got reveal club merch. We got donations to veteran organization voted by members. We got Ethereum raffle for members, and we have Ethereum raffle for community supporters and non-members. And we got phase number three, the landing. Continue community growth. 3D mutation NFTs, second release in progress. I would love to see these. I would love to see this, especially with what kind of water bears that we got right now. I would love to see the 3D launch. NFT Launch Academy for veterans. And then we got the club merch. Get a look at this. States that it is coming soon. We got different hats, different sweatshirts, right? Different shirts. Definitely love all this. All right. It states right there they got hats, hoodies. It says will show rarity of ranking of your Space Water Bear NFT. Awesome. And we got Team Tardigrade. These are the people that are currently in charge of the project. All right. We got Lord Tardigrade. We got Solitary Tardigrade. We have Duchess K Tardigrade. Who else we got here? We got another one right here, Ranger Tardigrade, and we have Discord Tardigrade. So these are all the ones that are currently in charge. Overall, you guys, I like this project. Think it's going to be a good one. Be sure, like I said, if you guys had not had the opportunity to take a look at their Twitter page, right, and follow them, be sure that you hit that follow button and join the Discord. Okay, once you get to the Discord, this is what it is going to look like. You're going to have access to all of these different rooms, obviously, once you verify yourself, plain and simple. But if we go ahead and dive down, you guys can see that there is the roadmap. We got the different announcements. We got the Twitter posts. We have more sneak peeks. I would love to see the 3Ds. As I stated, that would be awesome. We got different events. We have different contests. We got official links. We have so much here, okay? There's a lot of members. So as you guys can see over here on the far right, there are a lot of people here, okay? Minting is going to be March 30th, okay? March 30th. So you guys better be there. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave some comments down below. We would love that you guys join and be part of Space Water Bear. So thank you guys so much for being here. Leave some comments down below. You guys have a great day. We'll see you later and ciao.